Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with tbsp.com, and this is the chopped Italian sandwich. If you're watching this video and if you're on the internet, then you probably already know about the chopped Italian sandwich. It's a really basic concept where you take Italian meats, chop them up with a bunch of dressing. We're gonna use some mayo, we're gonna use some vinegar, throw it into a sandwich. Super easy. Now, of course, the catch here is we grill everything. So we're gonna start on the YS640s pellet grill from Yoder, going down with some salami. We're gonna get a little bit of crisp on our meats. We've got pepperoni as well. We'll add some texture. And also we've got some ham. Just get a little color and crisp on them, give them a flip, and we'll get the other side. We don't want to overdo this or dry these out, but we've kind of rendered some fat now and they're looking pretty. Gonna add a little freshness here with some tomato and some lettuce. Now, because we're gonna chop this all together, your knife cuts don't matter much. Just give it a little chop to start. For the lettuce, we're using romaine, and I prefer the crunchy part because it's gonna add more texture. And again, it's gonna get chopped up again, so you can go ahead and just be kind of rough with it. Now we're just gonna pile everything on and start chopping it up. It's gonna take a little time. It's gonna take a couple minutes, let's be honest. But we got equal parts of each three meats by weight and an equal amount of cheese. Start big and then chop small. So you can kind of think about this as the same way you would, say, a chicken or tuna salad. Essentially now everything just gets mixed together. And here in a second, once we get it kind of broke down, we're gonna add some mayo and some vinegar as well. Now that it's broken down, we're gonna add a little bit of our Cattleman's Grill Italiano. Not a lot, because there's a lot of salt going on already, but I want some of those herbs and spices in there. Same time now, we can add in some mayo, and then we'll do a drizzle of balsamic. Texas olive ranch. I can literally eat this with a spoon, it's so delicious. So now we're just gonna mix it all up. We could do this in a bowl, but we're already here, so let's just get it done. Now for the bread, we're gonna do this in a French loaf today. But we gotta hollow out some room to fit all this filling in here. So I'm gonna cut the top out and we're gonna take out some of that bread. Just scoop out some of this filling. Chef snacks. Now load it up. This is probably enough for like 6 sandwiches, but we're doing one giant sandwich today instead. And then we'll just cut it into portions. And then to finish it off, we're just gonna garnish with some pepperoni. Now you just slice individual servings, if you can call that a single serving. Doesn't matter, I'm eating it. All right, internet, you win. It's good. It's salty, it needs the pepperoni to kind of break up some of that salt, but then you get the fat from the mayo that kind of helps carry that flavor all around your mouth, coats your mouth, helps everything linger. Also the balance of the cured meats and the fresh vegetables, a lot of variety there. I like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out tbsp.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoy the recipe, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, or there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to tbsp.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.